Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are looking at a lighter that has been nothing but a pain in my ass. Zippo Slim windproof lighter. Definitely shows wear, scuffs, scrapes. Just fueled it. It has some sort of pennant flag on it. Red, white, and blue. Red star in the middle. Appears to be an enameled emblem. Enameled applied emblem. The lighter is in good enough condition. The main thing I look for in Zippos is the hinge, and this one's hinge is still, it doesn't have any play to it. It's whatever movement there is, you're met with a solid base. It doesn't feel wobbly. It doesn't feel loose at all. Maybe just a slight overbite here. It does have, I believe, a spot of plating loss here. And as I said, many scuffs, scrapes. As I said, this lighter has been nothing but a pain in my butt. For one thing, I completely cleaned it twice before I could ever get it to light reliably at all. And the reason it was burning when this video started, there is a dent here you can see in this lighter. The reason that it was burning when this video started was because it wasn't wanting to light. I'd about given up on it again. I had about given up on it again simply because it seems as though somebody has sprayed the inside of this lighter with Teflon or something. Or something that inhibits its ability to burn. Or at least it has seemed that way at times. Like I said, I cleaned it completely out twice before it ever acted at all like it wanted to light reliably. And then right before I got ready to make this video, when I lit it or went to light it, it didn't want to light. So now to other issues at hand. I am not an expert on Zippo lighters. I try to familiarize myself as best I can so I know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and so I can relate that information appropriately. When I look at the date codes for the Zippo Slim, I see 1959. Well, let's start this another way. upon initial inspection, when you look at this lighter, what I see is 2 dots on the left, 3 dots on the right. I think that's plain, and I don't see any way around it. When I look at the date code charts for the Zippo Slim, for it to have 3 dots on the right, it would have to be late 1958, which then would have 4 dots on the left, or 1959, which would have 3 dots on the left. Now, for it to have 2 dots on the left, as this one does, then according to the charts, 1961 would have 2 dots on the left and 2 dots on the right. 1962 would have 2 dots on the left and 1 dot on the right. So, once again, I am perplexed. The date code doesn't make sense to me. Somewhere between 1958 and 1962, but there would have to be an error, or somebody would have had to add something on the right side. I just don't get it. The insert appears to be authentic and correct to the late 50s, early 60s period. This particular insert has plenty of wear from sliding in and out. Has nothing, no information on the back side. And has been marred up a little bit, it appears, with use and abuse over time. But as I said, it appears to be correct for the late 50s, early 1960s period. I just don't understand the date stamp on the bottom of the lighter, with 2 on the left and 2 on the left and 3 on the right. Maybe someone out there has some insight. As I said, I buy, sell, repair all kinds of old petrol lighters, and I like the Zippos. I love them, but I don't know everything, every little nook and cranny about them. So hopefully someone can add some insight to the date code of this Zippo Slim. Is this a fake Zippo lighter? The date code is the only thing, if it is fake, the date code is the only thing that would have thrown me off. See, there it goes, being difficult to light again. I think somebody put a hex on this lighter, or bathed it in Teflon. Anyway, I won't be selling this one anytime soon. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. I would be interested into any insights in the Zippo Slim that does not want to light and its date code doesn't make sense. If you like these videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you are watching. Please tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in a text, email, post it on social media. Share your screen during a Zoom call, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. Also, we would appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Dependable Flame, dependableflame.com. It'll also be on Pinterest and, of course, eBay. Until next time.